Welcome back to the Real Automotive channel. Are you ready to witness the pinnacle of automotive elegance? The 2026 Lexus LC 500 is not just a car. It's a sculpture on wheels, a blend of futuristic design, V8 thunder, and luxurious craftsmanship that stops traffic wherever it goes. Buckle up as we dive into why this grand tourer is being hailed as the most beautiful car on the road. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button, tap the like icon, and share this video with fellow car lovers. Don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss a ride into the future of automotive excellence.
I just wish you knew.
At first glance, the 2026 Lexus LC 500 makes an unforgettable impression. The front fascia is dominated by Lexus' signature spindle grille, but for 2026, it's more intricate, with a new 3D mesh pattern that gives the car a futuristic edge. The grille is flanked by ultra-slim triple projector LED headlamps, now housed in more aggressive casings with sweeping LED daytime running lights that slice into the air. Lexus has accentuated the sculpted hood with deeper creases and an aerodynamic venting system that enhances both cooling and presence. In short, the front end doesn't just look aggressive, it looks alive. Moving to the side, the LC 500 continues to mesmerize. The long, low hood and short rear deck follow classic Grand Tourer proportions, but it's the sinewy body lines and wide rear haunches that make it feel muscular and modern. For 2026, Lexus has slightly revised the side intakes for better brake cooling, and the door handles now sit flush with the body for improved aerodynamics. The 21-inch forged alloy wheels come with a new turbine-inspired design that looks in motion even when parked. And don't miss those side mirrors, they're now slimmer, wrapped in carbon fiber, and integrate turn indicators more cleanly than ever. From the rear, the 2026 LC 500 could easily be mistaken for a concept car. The updated taillights feature Lexus' latest blade scan technology, offering a razor-sharp visual signature. Their new L-shaped wraparound look stretches into the body, enhancing the car's width and presence. The quad exhaust outlets now come with gold-trimmed housings that echo the design language of the front. An integrated carbon fiber diffuser adds performance credibility, while the retractable spoiler, now smarter and faster, deploys automatically at high speeds for improved downforce.
I just wish you knew.
Beneath the sculpted hood of the LC 500 lies one of the last great naturally aspirated engines, a 5.0-liter V8 that produces a thrilling 471 horsepower and 398 pound-feet of torque. Mated to a slick 10-speed automatic transmission, this engine sings all the way up to its 7,300 RPM redline. For 2026, Lexus has fine-tuned the exhaust system to deliver a more intoxicating soundtrack, especially in Sport Plus mode. Acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour takes just 4.4 seconds, and the top speed pushes toward 168 miles per hour. This isn't just a cruiser, it's a performer. Step inside the LC 500, and you'll be greeted by a cabin that's less cockpit, more boutique lounge. Lexus continues to offer the finest materials: hand-stitched Alcantara, semi-aniline leather, and polished aluminum trim that's cold to the touch. For 2026, the dashboard design is cleaner with a new 14-inch OLED touchscreen that now supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Physical buttons are minimized but intuitive, and a refined touchpad interface remains for old-school fans. The 12-speaker Mark Levinson audio system is tuned to perfection, while the ambient lighting subtly glows around the floating center console and door panels. The 2026 Lexus LC 500 isn't cheap, but then again, true beauty never is. Pricing starts at $99,000, and with options like the Sport Package, carbon fiber roof, and premium audio, expect the fully loaded version to push just over $112,000. Still, when compared to European rivals offering similar performance and luxury, the LC500 delivers tremendous value wrapped in one of the most visually arresting packages money can buy.
I just wish he knew.
The 2026 Lexus LC500 isn't just a car, it's a declaration. A statement that performance, design, and luxury can coexist in perfect harmony. Whether you're tearing through canyon roads or cruising through the city, the LC500 delivers unmatched presence, pure V8 excitement, and world-class craftsmanship. If beauty is in the eye of the beholder, then the 2026 Lexus LC500 might just be the most beautiful thing on four wheels.